Hi, I'm Svenja, and welcome to Rhythm 1. Rhythm is all around you and even within you. Think of your heartbeat. There's a steady beat. When you walk, you have a steady rhythm, and even brushing teeth has a beat. So you know you're musical. You have rhythm in you. Let's explore how rhythm works in music and how we can write it. Before we do that, let's actually do rhythm together. We'll start with a steady beat. This is the backbone of rhythm. But if that's all we got in music, it would be rather boring. Of course, we can have musical sounds that are shorter or longer than our beat. For example, ba, 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 ba. So now let's do it together. I'm going to clap a rhythm with do and do day. Then I'll say 1, 2, ready, go, and you get to copy me. Are you ready? Do, 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 day, do. 1, 2, ready, go. Great. So now let's look at how we can actually write the music. This is our beat note, do. And you can see that it has a black circle, which we call a note head, and a line going up, and that's called a stem. This is how you write a do day note. It's actually 2 notes, and here you see a thick line, a bar, connecting the 2 notes. Now I'll show you an example, and then we'll repeat clapping it together. Do, do, day, do, do, day, do, do, day, do, do. Now let's do it together. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, do, day, do, do, day, do, do, day, do, do. Great. Now let's do a second example, and let's do it together right away. Do, day, do, day, do, 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 day, do, day, do, do. So now we want to add a longer note, and you can see it here. And this is a do, to note. And you can see it has a note head and a stem as well, but in this case, the note head is white, it's not filled in. Ready for another example? Let's do it together. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, day, do, day, do, to, do, day, do, day, do, to. All right, so how about now we add an even longer note? That would look like this, and you can see it does not have a stem anymore. It's just a white note head. All right, and we would call this, or we would say this, do, 2, 3, 4. All right? So let's do another example together. Do, 2, do, 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 2, 3, 4. So what do we actually call these notes in music? Let's start with our longest note. We can represent it with a circle, like a pizza. And we call it a whole note, like a whole pizza. If we divide the pizza in half, we get 2 half notes. Next, we can divide the pizza into 4 parts. We call these quarter notes. Remember that our whole note is 4 beats long. So 4 quarter notes fit into 1 whole note. You didn't know you were doing a math lesson, did you? And finally, we can fit 8 of our fast notes into our circle. Can you guess what these are called? Eighth notes. Exactly. Here's another way to understand how long each note is. A whole note has 4 beats. Do, 2, 3, 4. A half note has 2 beats. Do, 2, and 2 half notes fill 1 whole note. A quarter note is 1 beat long. Do, and 4 quarter notes fill 1 whole note. Do you get the idea? Last but not least, eighth notes fill 1 beat, and it takes 8 eighth notes. Phew, that was enough math for now. By the way, let's review what different parts of the note are called. Number 1 is the note head. Number 2 is called the stem. And number 3 is the bar. Well, here's a funny looking note. This is actually how you would write a single eighth note. The funny squiggle is called a flag. You can imagine cutting the bar of 2 eighth notes and then the flag hangs down. Are you ready for our last challenging rhythm? Let's try it. Do, day, do, day, do, 2, do, day, do, 2, 3, 4, do, 2. Well, that was a little harder. So don't hesitate to stop the video, go back, and do it again as often as you need to. Also, keep practicing rhythm with our fun online games and quizzes. Challenge yourself and see how many medals you can earn. And remember to always be musical. Hey, hey.